Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the subject mechanical engineering materials. In that, now we will discuss about the topic non-metallic advanced material. In that, we will see what is the thermo thermoplastic material, thermosetting material, what is the polymer. Now we can see the property and application of some engineering material. In that, we will study the ceramic, then abrasive, adhesive, asbestos, cork, thermocol, and wool. In your study, there is a two topic in that ceramic and thermocol. Now we'll see what is a ceramic. The ceramic is containing phases of metallic and non-metallic elements. Ceramic crystals are formed by either a pure ionic bond, a pure covalent bond, or by bond that possess the ionic as well as covalent characteristics. Example of ceramic are silica, glass, refractory, silicon carbide, etc. Now, you can see here the ceramic material. In your phone, we can use or you are used in ceramic bowl. This is some application of ceramic your daily use. Next one is property of ceramic material. First property, they are hard, brittle materials, resistance to corrosion and high temperature strain, resistance to plastic deformation, bad conductor of electricity. Next one is what is a very low thermal conductivity, high resistance to all chemical, expect. Next one, application of ceramic aerospace, in space shuttle type, thermal barriers, high temperature glass windows, fuel cell. Next one is automotive, catalytic converters, airbag, sensor, ceramic rotors, spark plug, etc. In medical, the orthopedic joint replacement, dental restoration, bones implants. Now, the consumer use, the glassware, pottery, dinnerware, the ceramic tiles, sanitary ware, crucible jar, then bricks, cement lab, equipment, chemical industries, etc. Now, the ceramic are used in any area of application. The compressive strength makes a ceramic good structural material. Example, bricks, in-house stone blocks in the pyramids. Then, high voltage insulator and spark plug are made from ceramic due to its electrical conductivity property. Now, next one property, good thermal insulation has ceramic tiles used in oven and exterior tiles on the shuttle orbiter. Some ceramic are the transparent to radar and the other electromagnetic waves and are used in random and transmitter. Now next, the hardness, abrasion, resistance to high temperature and extremely caustic condition allows the ceramic to be used in special application where no other material can be used. The chemical interness makes the ceramic ideal for biomedical application like orthopedic and dental implants. The glass ceramic, due to high temperature capability, leads to use in optical equipment and fiber insulation. In general, advanced ceramics have the following inheritance property: hard, resistance to plastic deformation, resistance to high temperature, good corrosion resistance, low thermal conductivity, low electrical conductivity. Next one property is next material is thermocol. The thermocol is a restructured chemical bonding of a polystyrene. It is a synthetic petroleum product molecule and developed into a substance named stage polystyrene. These thermoplastic granules are expanded granules, become much larger in size but remain very light. Next one is thermocol has a good resistance for cold and heat, but since it is a petroleum product, it dissolves in any solvent of a petroleum. Now, the property, it has excellent insulating property. It can be cut easily with a simple tools like a knife or saw. It has a hard stand to moisture, adequate structural strength. It has a excellent dimensional stability, makes it easy to use. It has a snow white color and it odorless. It has a fungus resistance. Application, packaging, various decorative articles, insulators and materials for pattern making, molded packaging for electrical and electronics items or to be product to shop. Thank you. Now, next lecture, we can see the ceramic and composite material and nanomaterial.